Hey guys, so today we'll be doing the try not to laugh challenge. I got water here. Caitlin, there's water in her mouth.
It doesn't matter how you ask us, the answer is no. Maybe if you ask us earlier in the day.
Hey, no. Yeah. No, just play a week. I'll clean it up and put it up.
I'll be right back.
This is definitely the next best thing.
Bro, she I got my other shirt. She got another texture.
Okay.
White monkey? What you talking about? So did you understand what I said? I was like High School Musical who? Because he was wearing the wrong. Shanty, don't do that. You know, how about I just scoop this up so it won't get electrocuted?
Okay,
It
is
won't
there
scoot
a
as
towel?
fast.
Is there a towel so when we spit? Oh, shoot. Okay, so she went to go get a towel, and it's funny. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. I don't want to get it on. Okay,
Bring the whole thing, because Lord knows he
towel. Okay.
and we something at the same time.
When you're bored and your friend
What?
doesn't talk to you.
When you're bored and your friend isn't online.
Okay. So
Yeah, I'm just about to cut this
you're gonna
off.
get one of these, and you're just gonna put it up to your mouth. Okay. So we have one here, in case. So we're gonna go back. Oh, we have to put the water in it.
Fail. Let's go this. We'll go to you. Why, Savannah? Why?
I guess she
See,
was happy.
what by the time this episode episode is over. I mean, video's over. This is gonna be all gone. This is gonna be all gone.
Okay, so here we go. Yeah, let's not do water.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're not gonna do the water anymore. We're just gonna back that up, but we're just gonna do.
But if
you
she
laugh 3
laughs,
times.
yeah, but if she laughs one more time, then I mean it's victorious.
You guys, make sure you go subscribe to my MSP channel. It's SMG06 space S MSP. Go subscribe. So here we go.
I don't know what the show was called, but I'm just
Called
going
Zoe 101.
I have an exciting
Oh Lord.
You'll be getting
I gave him a close look. Okay.
First day of school and the teacher already.
You're my best. Yeah.
Disrespectful.
Anyway.
Bro, if you smack me, there's gonna be a concert.
Earth and interplanetary council. It's going to be a truly embarrassing to have an
Excuse me. Oh my God, look at that. Look at who has that poster?
Twins.
I love that movie too. He was a blue bobblehead.
Oh, FBC, I'm coming.
Technical difficulties. Okay. I broke my. I tried. You're right. This is gonna be the last line. Looks like a bird. Okay, so that is all we're gonna be doing for this episode. I mean, why do I keep on saying episode? For this video, because 1, she keep on dancing. 2, she games me. 3, she's just disrespectful. No.
Alright, guys. Bye.
So bye. Wait. What?
Do you like the seesaw? Can't say I've heard of it, but
Wait. Okay, stop it.
Okay, bye, guys.